So what is going on, everybody? So I've got a little bit of a new questionnaire review tutorial for you that I figured I'd go ahead and share with you. This is exactly where I took my motorcycle safety course about 4 years ago. It's OOSI Motorcycle Training. There it is, Orange Osceola. That's where you can buy all your motorcycles right on the street. Anyways, what I wanted to come and talk to you about real quick here is I've got my Grom with me. Everybody sees that stuff. Would a Grom like this be good for your MSF course? And the funny thing is, this exact place right here actually lets you have the Grom if you want to use one. It's one of the older designs, but if you would like to use one, you're allowed to go out there on the MSF course and actually do your test and the ride and everything on the Grom. They had 2 of them there, and at the time, I thought it was like I wasn't manly enough if I picked the Grom versus picking a regular motorcycle they had. It was like, I don't know, Kawasaki Eliminator 125, something. It was something like that. I don't know. You guys would be able to look that up. And what I figured is, I would talk about it now, looking back 4 years, would I actually go back and take my MSF course on the Grom? And if so, why? So getting back to the topic here, what would I do 4 years later? Would I recommend anybody who has taken an MSF course and their actual MSF training class had Groms there to actually use to test on? Would I say go for it? Heck yes, I would. Don't think you're not manly because you're not on the big bikes. And that's what a lot of people were saying. A lot of people were thinking they weren't manly enough if they weren't on a regular bike. And it come back now that I actually own one and know how tight of a turn these suckers can take and how easily you can weave in and out of things. Oh my God, I wouldn't even have had to really try to pass the MSF course. Now it was a hard course to begin with, but the fact is it would be even that much better getting to ride the Grom here on it. So basically what I wanted to come and say is, if they offer you a Grom and your MSF class has a Grom, get on the Grom and ride it. Let me tell you, this thing can make tight turns tighter than any motorcycle I've ridden. My sport bike takes probably twice the size, if not more, to make a full 180 than as a Grom does. It is sickening how easy it is to weave in around places with this thing. It's just so tiny, and you can just eep, all the weave and the 180-degree turn and the emergency stop, all that stuff. Oh my God, I wish I could go back in time and tell myself, take the Grom, it's so easy. And I definitely would have done it. This is so blast, guys. If you are looking for the first time, should I go and take the MSF course? Is it for me? You're darn right it is. You go take the course. I didn't even own a motorcycle. I took the course. 2 months later is when I finally bought my first motorcycle, the Ninja 250 you saw from old videos. And I am stoked that I got it. And I'm so happy getting to ride it. It makes me feel so free. So please, if you're thinking about riding a motorcycle for the first time, just go take the class. That way you know if it's for you, then you already have your license, so as soon as you do find a motorcycle that you want, you can go buy one. But if they do offer you the Grom, take the Grom. Don't feel like a pansy, or don't let another guy say, man, you're a pussy taking that Grom. Let me tell you, this little pussy-ass Grom can get into places that the bigger bikes have a little bit harder time to struggle with, and that's why they're such great goon bikes. Anyways, I'm not going to drag the video out long. I just wanted to share my thoughts with you on that one. It is epic. Oh my God, I could just go back in the course and do it again. Maybe one day I'll go ask OOSI if I can actually get out there and ride their course with them and go have some fun with them and bring out the Grom. That'd be a lot of fun. So if you did like this little bit of review and it did help you out and you had any questions, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you do have any questions about the MSF course, whatever you have, I have full videos on it, but feel free to ask any questions you want. I will do everything in my power to help you out, become a great rider so that you can get out here and have some fun with us, even the Groms, even if you don't own one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you all at the very next review. Take care.